In the video for today, I'm going to give you an idea with which you could record almost any kind of a video call using your laptop or your PC. So if you're doing a WhatsApp video call or a Zoom call, or maybe if you're doing a Google Meet video call, you want to record that, it's very simple and easy. All you have to do is just open the Chrome browser and type in OBS Studio. It's going to direct you to this page. Just click on this link and you just download this software. And with this, you could actually record your call. So if you have a Windows PC, you could just click on this option to download the exe file, and you could install the software on your PC. Or if you have a MacBook, you could click on this tab to download the software for your PC. Click on this tab and download the software for Linux, and you could install it. So for example, if you have a Windows PC, just click on this link out here, and the software gets downloaded to your PC. You get to your downloads folder and you're going to see the exe installer out here. Just click on the tab out here. You get a pop-up like this. Click on yes, and then click on next. Click on next again. Click on install, and within a few seconds or a couple of minutes, OBS gets installed on your PC. Now let me tell you that this is absolutely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. All right, if you want to act generous and contribute to these guys, you can get to the website and find out how you could do so, but this is absolutely free. But if you are interested in getting a paid software, that's totally on you. You could use Movavi, or you could use Ice Cream Screen Recorder, or whatever it is. But OBS is a fantastic option to do screen recording for all your applications that you're doing video calls on. So once the software is installed, you're going to get an option to launch. You could just keep this checked and click on finish, and then within a few seconds the software opens up. Click on cancel if you want. You could see that to the right you have all the controls. Before you could start recording, there are a few presets or settings that you have to set up out here on the software so that the recording is actually successful. So in order for you to do recording using this simple and easy software, you have to add your sources out here. So you could just click on the plus sign and whatever you are trying to capture. So basically this is going to ask you what is the source of the video. If you're using your PC, you have to select display capture. Okay, you could just give it a name. If you're doing a WhatsApp call, just name it as WhatsApp call. Ensure that this is checked. Okay, and then click on OK. You get another screen pop up for properties. Capture method, keep it at automatic, and display, select the primary monitor. Right, capture cursor, yes. If you do not want to capture your cursor, just deselect that, and it's not going to capture the cursor, but I like it to be captured, so select that. Force SDR, keep it unchecked, and then click on OK. Now you click on start recording and your screen starts recording. Okay, so for instance, if you are on maybe a WhatsApp call, okay, you could do a recording. All right, so if you're in a video call, you just record, and after you're done, you want to go ahead and stop the recording. Just click on stop recording, and you could go ahead and check your recording. So hover your mouse here on file, click on show recordings. You get to the videos that are being recorded by OBS, and you could see that this is recorded. I mean, the screen is recorded. Okay, so if you're on a video call, it automatically gets recorded. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.